All right, this video I'm going to do the examples of the factorisation. So the first thing we have to do is take out a common factor, and in this one it's 3. So we've got 3x plus 4, and you can clearly see that that bracket can't be factorised further. The same with this one, take out a common factor, y minus 2. With this one, the common factor is x squared, and we're left with x minus 2. Oh, they're pretty easy. The common factor here, so I haven't even progressed down the table. The common factor here is x plus 3. So I've been able to just, oh, that's nice, the rubber. 5 plus 2y, I've been able to just take out common factors the whole time there. Let's have a look here. It's a 2a, there's only one a, b squared, and I'm left with a squared minus b, and I can't do anything there. Okay, this one here, 4 terms. Oh, is there a common factor? No, there's 4 terms, so let's group in pairs. Let's take the factor out of this first one, x, and I'm left with x minus 2. 3, and I hope I'm left with x minus 2, otherwise there's nothing I could have done. I am, so that's a factor, and I'm left with x plus 3. Same question, take out a common factor, 3y, 2 minus x. Oh, good question. See how this is not the same? If I put a minus out here instead of a plus, I need to put a minus here to balance it and a plus here to balance it. So they're the same numbers but different signs. I just adjust this. So now I've got the same brackets, x minus 2, and I'm left with 2 minus 3y. Okay, common factor? No. 2 terms. It's a squared, so it's d minus 6, d plus 6. Two terms, no common factor. It's nice, they're both squareds. 3b minus 1, 3b plus 1. It doesn't matter about the order. Okay, this one here, 3 terms. What 2 numbers times together to give me 6 and add together to give me minus 5? It's minus 3 and minus 2. What 3 terms? What 2 numbers times together to give me minus 2 and add together to give me 1? It's minus 2, it's plus 2 and minus 1. You need to get as quick as me. I'm not quick at this because I've been doing it longer than you. You need to get as quick as me. These are the skills we need for this course. 2 numbers at times together give me 16 and add together to give me minus 4, minus 8. It's minus 4 and minus 4. So it's actually one of the squared ones. You don't have to recognise that until you find these 2 numbers. All right, this one here, there's people do this a whole lot of different ways. I'm going to use the PSF method. What is the product of the first and the last? 30, and gives me a sum of minus 13. Well, minus 10 and minus 3 do. Minus 10 times minus 3 gives me 30, and minus 10 minus 3 gives me minus 13. So I've got 5y squared minus 10y minus 3y plus 6. I use this to find these 2 middle terms, so then I can group in pairs. 5y, y minus 2, minus 3, y minus 2, and I've got 5y minus 3, y minus 2. Again, I don't mind how you do it, but you need to get good at it. I'll do another example. What 2 numbers times together to give me 3 times 4 minus 12 and add to give me 4? 6 and minus 2. 6 times minus 2 gives me minus 12. 6 minus 2 is 4. So I've got 4y squared plus 6y minus 2y minus 3. So I've got 2y outside of 2y plus 3 minus 2y plus 3. If I take minus 1 out, so it's 2y plus 3, 2y minus 1. And with all of these, I should have expanded the brackets and checked that it worked.